Injabulo kwezinyana ezingaphansi komfelandawonye wezinyana eFedusa emva kokuphuculwa kwezivumelwano esisha samaholo nohulumeni.
When we moved from the 0%, and we must acknowledge the big difference between 0% and where we've ended up, where we have a bonus that will see that all levels from level 1 to 12 will receive at least R1,000 after tax.
Ukuvuma kwenyunyana i-Public Servants Association izolo yikona okuphoshule izingxoxo.
Electricity has increased by 15%. We have seen in April petrol increased by R1. All these conditions made to this conclusion that we need something to keep on going with our lives.
Zekosathu yizona ezimele iningi labasebenzi bahulumeni, kodwa izinyana ezimbili kuphela zekosathu ezisayinile lezivumelwano, isathu nedinosa. Ezinye ziyasichitha zithi siyinhlamba kubasebenzi bahulumeni, kodwa unobhala jikelele wesathu uMugwena Maluleke uthi lokhu kungaboni ngasolinye akusho lutho.
We understand that these are structural positions, and therefore we respect the autonomy and the independence of each union. We are going to be working together in the JMC. We respect their decision not to accept, as the same way that they respect our decision to have accepted.
Ungqongqoshe wezabasebenzi bahulumeni uSenzo Mchunu uthi abaholi bezinyana ezisayindile wathi bakhombise ubuqotho. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC, eGoli.